even when the government is potentially, shut down, we can still get things done, and we can still make sure our troops are prepared regardless of what is to come. My name is Captain Justin Barquette, and I am the project officer for this year's Desert Hammer. And I'm really out here to make sure that the airmen of the 944th get the best quality training that they can, so that they can shoot, move, and communicate with the best of them in the case that we're sent to who knows where and who knows when. Many of the participants in this year's exercise are maintainers and part of the mission support group, where they don't normally do these types of things. So the way we structure those, like, we have small arms training, we have Humvee driving, we have par sweeps, as well as CBNE training, all the core things you would potentially need to do if you were in a hostile environment and you had to be able to shoot, move, and communicate. And that's the key foundation to what we were doing, is what will make you better at shoot, moving, and communicating when you don't necessarily have those folks that are primarily trained to do that with you.
This isn't their main job. Medical may be something the furthest from their mind. They either work at a desk, they maybe work on aircraft, frames, anything. So what we're trying to do is give them a very, very solid base. They're not going to come out of here being super experts and amazingly knowledgeable, but at least on the bright side, like, hand them a kit with a triage tag. They can look at it, understand the basics of it, and understand why we need to use it. It's a long day for us. It's even longer for them. They got to drag their stuff through, and like a real deployment, a real mission, a real job, you're bringing your stuff with, go to a different area, set your stuff down. Okay, hurry up, we got to get this started. So it's rough on them. But again, the main thing I'm trying to keep is very straightforward, letting them know why we're doing this, what the importance is, so that way they kind of grasp it and go, oh, okay, I understand it. At least I can understand everything we're doing out here in some way, some form.
This is forging those leaders, right? So that we can go in places and just like with the shutdown, there was so much ambiguity about what was happening, but we forged on like the warriors that we are, and we made it regardless. We overcame that adversity. So if we can do that, we can do anything in any place in the world.